This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious uni sushi. First, gather your ingredients for this exquisite dish. You will need about 100 grams of fresh, vibrant uni, which is the heart of our sushi. Prepare 200 grams of high-quality sushi rice, meticulously cooked and seasoned with rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Have ready some crisp nori seaweed strips, cut to about 1 centimeter by 10 centimeters. For wrapping, ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for optimal flavor. Achieving ideal sushi rice is crucial for exceptional uni sushi. Begin by rinsing 200 grams of short-grain sushi rice under cold water until it runs clear, usually about 5 washes. Cook the rice with 220 milliliters of water, using a rice cooker for consistent results. Once cooked, transfer the hot rice to a wide bowl. Gently fold in a sushi vinegar mixture, typically 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Ensure even distribution, then allow it to cool to about 98 degrees Fahrenheit before assembly. Now for the exciting part, assembling your beautiful uni sushi. Lightly moisten your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Take about 15 grams of seasoned sushi rice and gently form it into an oblong, bite-sized mound. The shape should be consistent for each piece. Carefully place a generous, perfectly sized piece of fresh uni over the rice mound. You may wrap a thin strip of nori seaweed, approximately 1 centimeter wide, around the middle to secure the uni and add a subtle oceanic note. To fully appreciate your handcrafted uni sushi, serve it immediately after assembly. Freshness is truly key. Arrange your pieces artfully on a clean, simple plate, perhaps in groups of 3 or 5 for an appealing presentation. You might add a very small dab of freshly grated wasabi or a light brush of high-quality soy sauce, applied sparingly to the uni itself, not the rice. Close your eyes and truly savor the delicate, creamy texture and the exquisite balance of sweet and briny flavors. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.